Okay, so nag-start na siya. Pwede man, Doc Prudente, you can actually ask questions from time to time, man. And we can answer the, ano. Pwede ko ano no? Pwede ko ma-play YouTube ni tutorial naton para sa Gmail kag ano. I-try naton ha. So para makita nanda, di ba? Pero actually ang kagina is Google Docs lang. Google Slides kag ano. Spreadsheets plus ka Jamboard. So ang Jamboard yun suggest ko lang nga i-ano lang yung Jamboard siguro. Kaya dapat may mo video then using the Jamboard. Pero since nga ang why pa kita ka ano sa Loom or sa although na take up naton the last year ang PowerPoint kag ang Loom medyo hindi gawa why connect bla why it connect why pa kita ka ano ka video creation so i-output is video creation so supposedly tigin ano ko lang Jamboard nga ang output lang ninyo himo sa Jamboard then download lang as PDF. So do okay man daw siguro nga evidence Pero later on if you want to create a video using Loom na nagagamit ka Jamboard, pwede man. Okay. So right now I'm multitasking because I'm downloading the file kagina sa lecture naton sa hapon which is sanggod 1 gig pa. So and then at the same time naga-discuss kita diya Dr. on gabi sa session. And then supposedly padayunon naton dapat kay we still have topics no. From the internet kag ano pa to. Pero since we are 3 only this evening, I'm hoping that Doc Joy and Doc Bulnes, Doc Wina will come in and join us. So I'm also hopeful that the others will join in our conversation, in our workshop. So we'll just wait for them. In the meantime, while we're doing the assignment, because I'm also doing the narrative report for this evening, no. For this for this day, I still need to accomplish that and pass it in to Google CARES. So hopefully, Doc Bulnes will pass her output at the same time Doc Joy and Doc Mirna. So let me present Anay siguro no. Let me see Anay gali kung ano ang sa Google bala ang sa hindi sa YouTube. Kaya ang video nga i-present ko is coming from ISCOF-CARES. So actually you can search for ISCOF-CARES no. And the video supposedly that I'm looking for is for CARES video. Okay, Gmail, then Google Meet, and Zoom. Pero ang Zoom, Jamboard, YouTube, Google Sites, Loom, Google Forms, podcast, Zoom, okay. So kita ko na sa. Ang Zoom is kay Sir Reseld. Ang Google Meet iyaman kag ang Gmail kay Sir Marjan. So, sige, ang ano anay ang i-present ko ang Gmail. So, okay, let me present Abby, no? Okay. So, kagina, we have a problem with the audio. Hopefully tonight, medyo malesen. Pero as of now, okay, it's still 7:30, 7:40. Medyo busy pa. Karon pa dyan sa gabi, siguro yan. You can just rewatch again or probably go ahead with the discussion. Tomorrow, our topics will be another topic, no? So, hopefully we can finish this. And I would like to gani, no? Na pwede naman siguro daya matingob outputs sa isa lang kapag screenshot, no? Para hindi gawa, para tingob. To do this, before we do that, I think we need to see the video first. So let me present this.
Good day, everyone. I am Sir Marge, and today I will be teaching you of the basic skills in using one of Google's applications. So, what is Gmail? Gmail is a free web-based email service. It provides users with a gigabyte worth of storage for messages. It provides the ability to search for specific messages. The Gmail program organizes successively related messages into conversational thread. After watching this video, you must be able to create a free Gmail account. Learn the basic email functions. Understand Gmail terminology. Manipulate emails. And manage attachments. This tutorial is brought to you by ISCOF-CARES.
Good day, everyone. So Google's Gmail is one of the leading free email service available on the internet. Gmail is the email system that introduced some revolutionary features such as mail archiving, the use of labels instead of folders, and the idea of viewing emails in conversation view. All of these features, as well as some best practice ideas, are discussed in detail in this video. So this time I will be teaching you on how are we going to set up a Gmail account and create an account. So let's create an account. So let's go to www.gmail.com in your browser. Then it will redirect you to this phase. Okay, so next click create account. This is create account, so I will click this to create account for myself, for example. So the sign up form will appear. Okay, follow the directions by entering the required information like your name, your first name. Okay, so next you click next, then enter your phone number to verify your account. Okay, our phone number here, this is my phone number. Okay, so next is the recovery email address, this one, but this is optional. It's up to you if you have to give your recovery email address or It will be used to keep your account secure. Okay, so you have to supply this field, your birthday. For example, my birthday is January
Manipulate
1,
email and
year
manage attachment.
2000, for
This
example.
tutorial is brought to you
Gender
by
male.
ISCOF-CARES.
Okay, then click next. Okay, so the confirmation message or the text message to confirm your Google verification code will appear. Okay, so it will text on your phone if you have entered your number, but this time wala pa. Okay, I will send the code and I
Good
have
day,
received a
everyone. So
message.
Google
This is
Gmail is
from
one of the
Google.
leading
The
free
confirmation
email
code
service
is
available on the internet. Gmail is the email system that introduced some revolutionary
okay. So
features such as
yes, I'm
email
in.
archiving, the use of
That's very
labels
simple.
instead of
Okay,
folders,
next
and the
is
scalable email workflow
um
conversation. All of
review
these
the
features, as
Google's
well as some
terms and
best
of service
practices
and
that you can
privacy
access
policy.
details in
Then
this
click
video.
I agree.
So this
So
time I will be
assuming that
teaching you
you have
on
reviewed,
how
no,
are we going
I
to
will click
set
this
up
one.
a
I
different account
agree.
and create
Then your
an
account will
account. So
be created.
let's create an account. So let's go to www.gmail.com in your browser.
Okay, just like with any online service, it's
And it will
important to
redirect
choose a
you to
strong
this
password. In other words, one that
page.
is difficult for someone
Okay,
else
so
to guess.
next
For,
click
for,
create
for more
account. This
information
is create
about
account. So
this,
I will
okay,
click
you
this
just review with our
create
lesson
account
this
for my account.
on creating strong password. Okay,
Yeah.
so let's
So
proceed now to signing
sign
into
up
your
form will
account. So when you
appear.
first create your
Okay.
account, you'll be
On the
automatically
section of the
signed in.
administrative
Most of
part
the
that will
time,
make your
however,
life
you'll
easy.
need to sign into your account and sign out when you're done with it. Signing out is especially important if you're using a shared computer, for example, at a library, at your office, in your work, because it prevents others from viewing your emails. Okay, so for you to and okay, so to teach you to sign in,
Next,
I will sign out first and let's sign in again.
next,
Okay,
then
so to sign in, to teach you how to sign in,
enter your phone number
let's
to
sign out
verify your
first
account.
and we will sign in again. Okay, so I have here now the Google account here. Okay, so I will be
Next,
clicking
get the
this one
recovery
and
email
it will
address.
require your
One, but
password,
it's
our
optional.
password.
It's up to you if you have
Okay,
to give your recovery email address, or it will
okay.
be used to keep your
Once
account
again,
secure. Okay, so you have to appear. Okay, so it will text on your
okay,
phone.
this is now the
And
Gmail user interface. And to sign out, to teach you how to
okay,
sign
just like
out,
with any online
in the
service,
top
it's
right
important to
corner of the
choose a
page,
strong
this
password.
one,
Of the words, one that is
this
useful
time
for
I will
someone else to
be
get.
introducing you
For
how
more
to send
information
email.
about
Now
this,
that you've created
okay,
a Gmail account,
just
you can start
review
sending
our
email messages.
lessons
So as you
on
can see
creating
here,
strong
empty.
password. Okay,
The
so let's
inbox
proceed
is
now
empty,
to
only this Google
signing
community
into
team.
your account. So when you
Okay,
first
so
create your
writing
account,
an
you'll
email
be
can be as
automatically
simple as
signed
typing a
in
message,
most of
or
the
you can
time.
use
However,
text
you'll need to
formatting,
sign into
attachments, and
your account and
signature
sign out,
to
which is not
customize your
flip.
message. In this
Signing out is
lesson, we'll
especially
show you
important
how
when
to
you're
compose
using
an
a shared
email
computer, for
and add
example,
an
at the
attachment
library,
and
at your
create a
office,
signature
at
that
your
will
work,
appear on all of
because it
the
prevents
messages
others
you send.
from viewing your email. Okay, so
Okay, so
for you
when you write
to
an email, you'll be
and
using
okay, so
the
to teach you
compose
to sign
window.
in,
So let's, where is the
I
compose?
will
This
sign up
one, this
first
is the
and
compose
let's
window. I will
sign
be
in again.
clicking this. This is
Okay,
where
so to
you'll add
sign
the email address of the
in,
recipient, the
to teach
subject.
you
Okay, this
how
one,
to sign
this
in,
is the recipient part. You have to add email address here for your recipient. Then the subject. Okay, for example, I so and I will be attaching here a the class schedule. Okay, so While composing an email to attach, click the paperclip icon at the bottom of the compose window. This one. Okay, I will be attaching here the class schedule. Okay, this one. Okay,
Diyan, Nikos.
the file is uploading. The dialog box will appear. So choose the file you want to attach then. When you're ready to send your email, click send. Okay, after that, let's click this one to send. Okay. You can click send before the attachment finishes uploading. It will continue to upload and Gmail will automatically send the email once it's done. Okay. Okay, as you can see here, the message sent. Okay, so to add signature, a signature is an optional block of text that appears after every email you send. By default, Gmail does not include a signature. Okay, so but it is easy to create one. It will typically include your name and some contact information like your phone number or email address. If you're using Gmail at work, you may want to include your title and your company's address or website. To know further about this topic about this Gmail, we have our handouts, man. Okay, for you to review. Okay, we come now to the adding signature. As you can see here, the settings. Here is the settings, the gear icon. In the top right corner of the page, then select settings. Okay, this one. Settings. See all settings. Okay, let's scroll down until we saw the signature section. Where is the signature section here? See, this one is a signature. Okay, so type your desired signature in the box. You can also change the font and other formatting or insert an image if you want. Okay, let's create one. For example, this is just a title or a name. We can have here this one in this area. We can type here our desired signature. For example, your name. Let's scroll down and save changes so that your signature will be saved. Okay. You should keep your signature brief instead of listing all the phone numbers. In my case, I don't give the phone number, email address if you want to give, and the mailing addresses. Where you can be reached, just list the most important ones. Keep in mind that your signature will be seen by many different people, so you may not want to include your home address or anything too personal. Even if you only email or even if you only email people you know, someone can still forward your email to someone else, which can reveal your signature to even more people. Okay, so let us now proceed to responding to email. Okay, so and in addition to sending emails, you'll be receiving emails from the others. Okay, so after you read an email, there are a few actions you can take, including opening an attachment if there is one, replying to the message, forwarding it to someone else, or if you don't have time to deal with the email, adding a star to remind yourself to read it later. If you'll be out of town for several days or more, you can also create an automatic vacation reply so people you know you're unable to check your email. And we'll now proceed to how are we going to or to read an email. How are we going to read an email? Okay, so first from the inbox, this one is the inbox. We have here messages now from Marjan. Okay, so click the email you want to read. For example, this one. Okay, forwarded. This is forwarded message. Very simple to read message. Okay, so the email will open in the same window. You can reply to all. This one, the reply. Okay, and forward the email to someone. This one. Just click this to forward. Okay, so it will lead you to the forward section. You just add your recipient and click simply click the send to forward your email. So and to open attachments, let's go back to the inbox. Let's select the message which have an attachment. Okay, this one. I will be teaching you on how are you going to open an attachment. For example, open the email message that contains attachment. This one. If you can see this, you click, you bring or drag your mouse here. You can see the options: download, add to drive, or edit with Google Sheets. Okay, to download, click the download icon, this one, to save the attachment to your computer. If your computer asks whether you want to open or save it, choose save. You can then locate the file on your computer and double click it to open it. For example, I will be downloading this. Okay. So we just simply click this to open the file. Okay, that's very easy. Okay. So we will now proceed to replying and forwarding to emails. How are we going to reply and forward image or emails? Okay, while viewing the message, click reply to the bottom. For example, this one, the message. Okay. While viewing this, click reply at the bottom of the message. This one, reply button. If the message was sent to multiple recipients, you will also have the option to reply to all. You can also click the reply arrow to respond to messages. Good. Let's try this. Reply. Okay, so I will be simply clicking this button, the send button, and the message sent. Okay, so this one. Okay, however, to forward, while viewing the message, click forward at the bottom of the message, this one. When forwarding a message, you can also add or compose your message in the body field. Okay, so just click send. Okay, that's it. And we will now proceed to deleting messages and dealing with spam. While viewing the message, click the delete button. Okay, so for example, this one, I will be selecting one message. If you just want to delete one message in a conversation, click the drop down arrow in the top right corner of the message and select delete this message. Okay, so this one. Upon clicking this, your message will be deleted. Okay, so usually spam or junk email is automatically sent to your spam folder, so it never gets to your inbox. However, some spam will still gets past Gmail spam filter. Instead of simply deleting these messages, it's best to report them as spam so Gmail knows to filter them out in the future. The process is the same as deleting a message, except that you'll click the report spam button instead. And to archive no message while viewing the message, for example, I will be clicking this one. I will be archiving this. While viewing the message, click the archive button. As you can see here, there are so many buttons here above. Okay, just select the archive, this one. Okay, so and the conversation archive. And to view your archived messages in the left menu pane, there's the left menu pane, this one. Okay, click the more drop down. More, this one is more drop down arrow. Click all mail. It will then display all of your messages, including the archived messages and the messages in your inbox. And that's it, and we're done. Thank you for giving time.
All right. So I think that was it about Gmail. But I guess since we knew already how to do this, I mean how to create email and stuff like that, to make our workshop more easier, I think the output for this is just the you need to you just need to go to your email account and produce a screenshot, no? So pretending to have emailed, so you just click compose and then put some email addresses, and then just type the subject and then the content of the email. So if you want to attach any file, you may do so. Pero just don't send it, ha? It's only ang screenshot. Then screenshot nyo lang, pad to sa inyong Microsoft Word, and then that will be the workshop for email. Kay I think these topics are very ano lang mo, papyaw lang. Kaya we don't need to get deeper on this. Siguro we can have things like screenshots nagapamatuod nga nag-email kita. So you can also do several things, like for example other than compose, you can show the email, the draft folder, your spam folder. You click nyo lang siya and then produce a screenshot, and I think that's about for email. No, it's no big deal siguro, no? I think ISCOF-CARES will agree that I think email is very important, pero I think everybody has email. Why man siguro it may hindi ka maan mag-email pa, no? Mag-receive kag mag-open ka email account. So I think that is that's what we're going to do for email na lang siguro. Okay. Since I think before we wrap this up, let me show you another video siguro, no? Another is for Google Meet, and the other one is for Zoom. So pero I think tomorrow lang siguro when everybody is around. I think we're going to spend this night getting our outputs, no? Let's spend the time for getting outputs. I supposedly I'm going to show the video, man. Pero I opt to show the video of email na lang, anay, for the sake nga because email is very easy nga topic. And kung ma-open lang ninyo yung email account ninyo, I think you can have screenshots, no, out of this. And then I suggested also nga ang sa output naton supposedly this afternoon, kaya mo dito yung topic naton tonight, amo man nagasala do kita ay igo mag-start abi ang ano naton 11 o'clock doon mo. Pero I think ganhagano lang naton so may tomorrow pa man, for the whole day. I think some topics will be and the outputs are not really let's try lang gid if we can pass the output for this evening, no? And then if you have screenshots for your email, you may do so. Just put it in your Microsoft Word siguro na. and then send it to me through PM, your outputs, and I will be the one compiling all the outputs and upload it in our Google Classroom. Okay? So I think that's all about it.
Ang receive email lang ang i-screenshot, ayan.
Yes.
Di man mo shared kuan dayang amon email ni Ansis mo ti duro ta na ang mga na-receive namon nga mga email salin sa mga different companies bala ka na. So pwede ko na screenshot ano?
Ano lang siguro, you don't need to open it. Just the ano lang gid, the content lang, not the content nga sa sulod na gid, but
not the content, but ang sawa lang,
the file.
screenshot
Yes.
lang.
Yes.
Lang.
Okay, I know the email is personal, no? I think we're violating data privacy siguro, no? Kung i-divulge natin yung sulod ka email natin, so may kinamatarong man kita mag-refuse. Kahit personal, tanan mo? Personal email tana is So, I think ang pwede natin siguro imuon ang screenshot ka content, ang ano lang ang sa email nga nang sasagwa na, hindi ang sa ano gid. And then at the same time, ang kung paano ka bala maggamit ka email mo. Like for example, mag-compose bala. Yes. So, mag-compose kita and then isibutang nato totong ang email nga sendan naton kay email, ang email address. Then ang sa atong ginambal ni Marjan nga tong mga ano, ang mga spam siguro never mind. I think there's no need to screenshot the spam. But if you want to screenshot the spam folder, pwede man siguro. Pero you don't open the email lang. Don't open the email. Okay, so I think that's all about it, no? Sa email Simple lang gid You don't need to ano gid otherwise base pay mo ka mo ka video nga naga-email, so pero hindi naman ang evidence lang nga nag-email ka mo amo dud nang tama do gid ka ano gid kuro ka nato. Yes. Pero you just label the file name, ang file name bala sa PM lang gid. Ng file name naton is butang nyo lang email or Gmail, tapos pangalan naton, butangan nyo din ISCOF-CARES, then day 1 PM na. So mo daya file para ma-identify ko kung sino nga file kay ginahimoan ta kamo tanan ka folder, so then ang folder nga tuyaya content ka inyo nga outputs. So amo daya i-upload ko karon sa gabi sa ISCOF-CARES nga folder. So actually the ISCOF-CARES requires me to make my own Google Drive. Pero since nga mabudlay siguro magsagad download upload sa Google Drive, ay i-opt lang naton nga dang ipasa kanakon niya output nyo through PM. Kaya ako do lang ma-compile sa isa ka folder, then sa sulod ka folder nga damo day upload ko sa outputs naton para sa Google Drive ka ISCOF-CARES for day 1. So that includes the attendance kagina, attendance tulad, and what else pa? Iban pa nga evidence siguro nga nag-conduct kita ka training. So I think that's all about it, no? Do you still have any questions?
Thank you.
Yes. You're welcome. And hopefully we'll see you again tomorrow for another session. And
What time
I'm still let's see let me check Abby ang schedule, no? So the training time On August 13, ma-start 8 a.m. So, I think mga 8:30 siguro na 8 o'clock ang nabutang diya. Anyway, sa hapon may time pa man kita. Siguro i-flex lang natin ang schedule, no? I-flex lang natin ang schedule natin. So instead ng another topic, at least may karon nga gabi may ano kita sa Gmail, no? Ang ma-meet, unahon natin siguro ang Google Meet kag ang Zoom, kung paano kita mag-Zoom kag kung paano kita mag-Google Meet. And then Google Forms, we're going to discuss Google Forms and Google Drive. So mo dumalang day ay abilin sa topic naton. Pero we still have outputs to pass. Okay, so that's all about it siguro, no?
Okay.
So thank you. I think let's call it a night lang. Thank you so much and good evening, Gil.
Good evening and good night.
Good night.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yan, bye-bye yan. Okay.
Hey, Lula. Bye-bye.
Hey, Lola. Bye-bye, Lola.
Bye-bye, Lods. Bye-bye.
Nagahulat nga parang nga makahampang sa ano. Sige, thank you, Gid.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.